We'll guide you through how to make intro in Movavi video editor. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click the Movavi video editor icon to open the application. After that, click File Import in the top left corner of the editor to begin importing your media. Next, click the Add Files button and browse your computer for a video that you want to use as an example. Then click the Open button to continue the import process. Once the video has been imported successfully, drag and drop it onto the timeline. Next, click Intro Videos at the top of the editor to access the available intro templates. You can browse the featured category to view some of the recommended intro designs. You can also browse the abstract category to explore more creative templates with different visual styles. The basic category is available as well if you prefer a simpler design. In addition to these categories, there are many other intro collections to explore. For this example, open the Favorites category to continue. Select the Horror House intro as the sample template that you want to use. Drag and drop the selected intro onto the timeline, then position it before the main video so it plays first. Next, double-click the intro on the timeline to open the editing panel. Right-click the component that you want to customize, then click the Edit option to modify its content. As an example, replace the existing text with Guide Hub. After changing the text, click the Apply button to save your edits. Click the Apply and Return button to go back to the main editing workspace. After that, click the Transitions menu on the left side of the editor. Add the fast zoom and transition between the intro and the main video, as an example. Next, click the full screen icon, click the play button to preview the completed intro and confirm the text, transition, and appearance.